We're going to do an unboxing. Got this little box of blocks off eBay. Cool. This is my lockout tag out gear. Wow, awesome. These are new. Very cool. And then this should be a box with the locks. Look at that. Isn't it gorgeous? This looks like the pouch hasn't even been used either. It's brand new. Oh no. Look at the beauties in there. Wow. Okay, so here's a middle pouch that's removable. It has the one key for all the locks. This is a very cool pouch. I have not seen the modern pouch like this before. It's the numbers. Should correspond with a number on the key. Yep. Oh, very nice. Got the long shackle. Wow. Awesome. Awesome. Oh, very nice. Nice snap on them. Well, this is going to be a lot of fun to play with these. This is my first ever kit of lockout tag out locks. This is Pocket Woman. Thanks for watching. This is a Loto Lock Tuesday. Anyone can get involved. Check out the co-host, Statistic Picker, a link in the description below. This is something I have been trying to get for years and years. One of these, and I have finally achieved it. Thank you very much to the seller. Thanks for watching. Oh, this is too cool, just too cool. Stay legal. Temptation is everywhere.